Hi, I'm Tess Schultz with Tulip Square, and today I'm going to show you something that we haven't really talked about here, which is kits. Did you know that at Connecting Threads you can purchase our patterns with their fabrics and get some really nice kits? One that I just purchased for myself is our tree skirt. Now I know this is after Christmas, but it's for next year, which is another tip that you can get some really cute Christmas fabrics right now for cheap. So this is our pattern and this is their beautiful fabric. So when you purchase a kit from them, this is what you get. You get your fabrics, you get the pattern, which on the inside, open this up. So this is their cover that shows you the fabrics that you get with it. And then on the inside, there's our cover, which you're used to seeing. And then, you know, the whole pattern as it would be normally. And then get the fabrics. So on this one, I got these Stars and Dots Scarlet. Just such cute Christmas fabrics they always have. Look at this one. What is this called? Holiday Toys. How cute is that? And then I got the poinsettia bouquet. And then oh, here's another tip for you, because I also bought another kit from them, but I really didn't want the pattern. I just wanted the fabrics that were in there. So something to think about when you look in their sale section, which, okay, so I'm putting a link. Actually, I'm going to put a link. I think it's right here. It might be over here, but I think it's up here. I don't get to control where the link goes. I only get to control when the link appears in the video. So when Mom doesn't know, it's because I don't know either. But I think it's over here. So right now I'm going to post a link to their Connecting Threads sale. Buy their kits when they're on clearance, because even if you don't particularly care for the pattern, you can get some really good deals on the fabric. So like this one, I got 4 fat quarters and then 3 half-yard pieces. I got more of this poinsettia fabric, which is, I just really like that. But then I got the red. This is one of their Mirage tonals. They have a bunch of different tone-on-tone fabrics. They're called blenders. Here's actually the green one too. And I'm going to put a link to their blenders right here, because these are great fabrics for any time of year. Then I also got this fabric, and this is one of 2 reasons why I bought this particular kit, because look at this. Won't that be so cute for gift bags next year? This July, instead of a Christmas in July, it's more like a get ready for Christmas in July. And we'll have a few new Christmas patterns so that you can get started on your Christmas stuff early. And so can I. Trying to get ahead of things this year, as opposed to behind everything like we've been last year. So this is the other fabrics that I got. So I got the green tone-on-tone, and then the green stars, which are a tone-on-tone. And then this is super cute. Look at this candy cane fabric. Isn't that cute? I love their fabrics. I love their Christmas fabrics always. As you can see here, I was kind of lacking in this shade of green, so now I have 2 that will go into my regular fabric. It's not necessarily Christmas fabric, so keep that in mind when you're looking for a deal. So it always varies what kits they might have available at any given time on Connecting Threads of ours. So right now, for example, we have these placemats in these really nice, they have great batik fabrics too. I love their batiks. This is their Moonlit Indigo batiks, but this is our indigo weave pattern that you can get with it. So that's up right now. Depending on when you watch this video, the selection may vary. So I put a link that just shows whatever current kits they have with our patterns. And we have the tree skirt, which is the one that I got. See? It's going to look so nice under my tree next year. Because yes, I did make a tree skirt for this pattern, but it is under Mom's tree. And then also what we have right now is these placemat and napkin sets. So there's that one and this one, which are the same, but you can get the kit in either one of the colorways. So you can choose between either one of their shimmer tonals in the cool colors or the warm colors. That's been very popular, that kit. You get enough fabric for the 4 placemats and 4 matching dinner napkins. So there's that. And like I said, like right now, that's what's available on Connecting Threads. The link will show you whatever their current offerings are with our kits. I just purchased all of these. We didn't get these for free for doing a video or anything like that, but we do have affiliate links that have been popping up. And we might get a percentage of that, depends, but more importantly, it lets them know that we're the ones that sent you. So go ahead and use our links. A little short and sweet video today, but we just wanted to let you know about the kits because we were pretty sure we hadn't told you about them yet and thought you might want to take advantage of that. I just wanted to let you know things have been rather hectic coming into the end of the year and everything like that, but we're getting ready to get back into our regularly scheduled programming, if you will. More free blocks getting ready to come out for you, and some more pattern sew-alongs and some other things that you guys have been patiently waiting for. So we're going to get to that this year and hope you will enjoy and stay along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you'll be notified whenever we put up a new video. And don't forget to check out our website at tulipsquare.com where you can find all of our patterns and links to all our videos and everything else that we're doing. So we will see you next time with a brand new video. Until then, happy sewing!